Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here inside my S55. I have to think about that now that I happen to have two S-Class AM. Really? We're doing this now? Well, apparently Lola wants to be in the video. Okay, what do you have to say? What do you have to say? How much you love me? You love me? You really love me? Okay, can I work now? Can I work? Okay, thank you. Let's go. Let's go out there. Okay, let's go down. Go down. Go down. Thank you. Love you. Mean it. Get the hell out of here. Okay. Now, what we're doing today, since I happen to have two S-Class AMGs, S55, S63, eventually we're going to compare the two. We're going to see how they ride differently, they drive differently, check out how the ABC systems, although almost identical, they do perform a little bit differently. But what I want to do today, since I just got it started yesterday, we're going to check out my new scanner. Yep, this is the new launch scanner. So what we're going to do, we're going to close the door. Sorry, Lola. We're closing the door because it was 75 degrees yesterday. Today, wind chill 26, 32. And it's warming up again. Weather in Oklahoma, you just can't beat it. You literally just can't beat it. Okay, we're going to fire up the launch and we're going to give this little computer a test. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Were my eyes even like that? Okay. If you watch my first product review of the launch scanner, you realized how fast this thing is, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to power her up. Battery's at 98%, okay? And we're going to scan this old gal, okay? This is a 2001 S55. She sat for, I'm going to say, a couple of years without fenders or a bonnet or a hood, a bumper, headlights. I don't know what all she was missing, but I sure purchased a lot of stuff for her. I'm wondering how old the gasoline is. I'm wondering why she's running rough. Ugh. There we go. Okay. My favorite button to push. S55 AMG. Health report. Yep. Okay, we should start scanning. Okay, here's the TCM. Okay, we got us some issues. Okay, we have quite a bit, but I haven't cleared the codes. I don't remember clearing the codes since I had the car. Okay, ESP, steering angle sensor not initialized. Okay, I think I just turned steering wheel left and right. Not a big deal. Critical level front right. Okay, the suspension, remember it was setting low. This found it. The resistance in the ignition circuit containing component right rear window airbag ignition squib is too high. Okay. Overhead control panel, whatever that is, not initialized. The value for the search lighting of the ICM is implausible. Front left SAM component standing in parking lot. Okay, I have some lights that are out. Blah, blah, blah. Terminals. Voltage supply. Mechanical fault. What's that? Oh, the CD changer. Who cares? Tele-aid. Abnormal. Who cares? Exterior mirror adjustment and heating. Mirror has a short circuit. Hall sensor. Faulty on the front left seat. Seat scanner. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to clear all these codes. We want to clear all of this, yes. Look how fast. Clear, 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 clear. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is all completed now. So what I want to do is do the health report again. There we go. Yes. Yes. We are just about to finish up with our second scan. Okay, we had a whole bunch of them on the first one, and then we cleared it because that's all stuff before I had all those pieces attached and everything. So we've cleared the codes. We're running the health report again of the mighty launch, and I'm getting just a few codes, not nearly as many as we had the first time. So let's see what we get here. This air conditioning one does take a long time for some reason. Don't know why. Then it's going to check the rear air conditioning, which this car doesn't even have. And then I think we might be done. Okay, here we go. These are the problems. Supplement the resistance value in the ignition circuit containing component R1223. Right rear window airbag ignition squib is too high. Resistance is too high. Overhead control panel. I don't know what that is. Okay. Excuse me. The control unit, PSE control module, is not transmitting data on the CAN. Front left signal like it was the front left SAM. Tele-aid. Exterior mirror adjustment and heating mirror has a short circuit. And no normalizing of head restraint adjustment. And that's all. Let's mail this to myself. Report. Send successful. Okay, so we've gone from a whole bunch to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I don't care about some of this. Electric heat adjustment front left. Oh, the head restraint adjustment won't go up and down. Say what? But it does. Okay. That seems to work. I don't care about tele-aid. Okay. So, not a whole bunch of problems here, but I want to know why my check engine light is on. So as you can see, we have the airbag light and the check engine light. Coolant keeps flashing off and on, so I think I'm just a tad low. I think because I have the heater on, which is really cold, which could be another problem, I need a little more coolant. Okay, now we're going to process this. 2 diagnostic trouble codes. Read fault codes. Where am I going with this? I don't know. Generic. Okay, let's see. Mass or volume airflow circuit is current. Okay, so we can go to the internet and figure out what wrong that is. Cylinder 3 misfire. That's what I'm worried about. That's my cylinder that had the broken valve spring. Multiple misfire pending current. What is this one? 0443. Evaporative emission control system, purge control. Okay. Oh, this lighting is beautiful. All right. As the planes circle overhead, we're going to wrap up another video. This is looking good for some reason. Wow. Just need to work on this. Yeah, need to work on this. Chew more gum. All right. We know what's wrong with the S55. We got a couple of issues. I think for the next video, we're going to take it out on the road. We know what happened last time we took it out on the road. The spring sprung. But that's okay. I have complete and almost utter confidence in my car. Confidence level there. Doubt level there, which is okay. So, not the most exciting video. This is a hint of what's to come in another video. All right, as we continue tracing down the problems, this might just be related to what you just watched. All right? But for the next video, we're going to take it out on the road, maybe put some gasoline in her and see if we can figure out what the heck is wrong with cylinder 3. Yeah, cylinder 3. Folks, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate this, and I really have so much fun making these videos. I do have an update. I have ordered some cool stickers, some Monkey Wrench Mike stickers that I'm going to be either giving away or just pay the postage. They're pretty cool stickers, but I'll show you those coming up, maybe the next video or two. They haven't arrived just yet, but they will soon. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.